Today we're gonna show you 2025 Subaru Forester exterior and interior details and review, and explain the details of the car. We hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. The 2025 Subaru Forester debuts a new look but is similar underneath. The redesigned Forester compact SUV is claimed to be quieter and more responsive than before, but the 2.5-liter flat-four remains the only engine choice for now. The Subaru Forester is new for 2025, and it features numerous upgrades. The 2.5-liter flat-four carries over, and Subaru says the platform is stiffer than before. Subaru says the 2025 Forester compact SUV will start reaching US dealerships next spring. Subaru pulled the wraps off its 2025 Forester during the 2023 Los Angeles Auto Show. Big claims of all newness get thrown around with abandon, but the 2025 Subaru Forester does have new sheet metal, a stiffer chassis, and a bigger infotainment screen in its redesigned interior. You'll be able to choose from 5 trim levels when it gets to dealers: Base, Premium, Sport, Limited and Touring, and we expect a wilderness trim and a hybrid option to be added further down the road. From the outside, the Forester's body panels are smoothed around the headlights and lifted over the wheel arches to give it a more action-ready stance. The new grille extends its edges to better highlight the arrow-shaped LED headlights, but the Forester retains its upright cabin, both for headroom and brand recognition. Despite its boxy shape, Forester does have some aero tricks along its flat flanks, including a new air vent at the back of the wheel opening, to move air out of the wheel well. Reducing lift at freeway speeds. Underneath the Forester's new sheet metal is Subaru's global platform, but it's 10% stiffer for 2025, with an inner frame that uses more welds and more structural adhesive. Subaru says not only will the Forester's ride be firmer and more controlled on the new chassis, but also claims it will be quieter. Combined with added insulation in and outside the cabin, the Forester should be considerably less raucous inside. Under the hood is a familiar pal, Subaru's 2.5-liter boxer engine. We're down 2 ponies from the outgoing model, but you're unlikely to notice. The 4-cylinder makes 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, and peak torque comes in a lower RPM than before, so even though it's down on power, it should feel more responsive. The flat-four is backed by a continuously variable transmission which, in the higher trims, offers a manual shift mode with steering wheel paddles. The Forester gets torque vectoring all-wheel drive standard, hill descent control, and a variant of the WRX's dual-pinion electronic power steering, which purports to offer a tighter, more connected feel both on and off-road. Base and premium trims come with 17-inch wheels, the Limited gets 18-inchers, and the Sport and Touring models both ride on 19-inch wheels, in a new bronze finish for the Sport. The Forester offers 8.7 inches of ground clearance. It's still an easy step up inside, where a new center screen hosts most of the climate and infotainment controls. Surfaces are padded at the major touchpoints, but still offer Subaru's wipe-clean functionality and scuff-resistant materials. In the back, split-folding rear seats provide 74 cubic feet of cargo room when folded. The tailgate now opens with a swipe of a foot beneath the bumper, and there are 8 new tie-down points in the cargo area. Roof rails add utility in either a raised or low-profile design. For the driver, the new seat is more supportive around the hips and lower back, while the top section is narrowed for better visibility into the rear. Dual-zone automatic climate control is standard, and the touring trim now comes with ventilated as well as heated front seats.